Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can use and operate one-handed mode on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to tap on additional settings, scroll down again, click on one-handed mode and tap on the switcher to activate it. After that, pick one of these options to select size of your shrink screen and follow the instructions. Swipe left or right from the home button to pull the screen to one side. So if you want to use one-handed mode with your right hand, you have to do that to the right. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. In order to go back, tap on the blank area. If you want to use one-handed mode with your left hand, do the same to the left. And go back the same way. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!